everybody, it's Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations.
Hey, hi.
I'm here with Patrick.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, I'm actually here. He's with Go Science, and he sells DTF printers. So I'm in Philadelphia. He's in New Jersey, and I was determined I'm not buying another DTF printer until I can actually find somebody who is going to fix it. Well, guess what, guys? He fixes them. He sells them and he fixes them. Can you believe that? On the East Coast, no longer have to call to China to get your DTF printer fixed. So I'm gonna let you all take a look as we work on my take a look at my printer that I'm going to be taking home with me today. I'm going to be leaving my old printer that I thought was going to become a paperweight with Patrick. And Patrick has a TikTok
account, and I got Facebook account. You can find me on TikTok like Go Sign, or Facebook Go Sign too, and you can reach me from there.
And he does some amazing videos. He has a video he was just showing me where he converts the Epson 8550 into a DTF and a bunch of others to show different techniques. So check him out on there. Set up this Procolor. And he even told me to bring my laptop. He's going to get my software. You know we dread putting that software on. That's a nightmare. But he's going to put it on my laptop. So we'll be all set when we leave out of here. We're going to print from it. So this is the one that I am going to be getting right here. And this is a Procolor 1390.
Yes.
This is the Procolor 1390. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace. And the prices vary, so I'm not going to go into all of that. But yes, we're going to be walking through it, and I'll let you know what I wound up printing. And it comes with RIP 9, right?
Yeah, RIP 9. He coming with a new inks. It coming with 150 shades of fields. It coming with it. And I like that. I know how frustrating is the people when they buy it from China or somebody else, but nobody help to teach and do a lot of stuff. But with me, you buy not only the printer, you buy me, because if you got something problem, you can do a video call, and I teach you from there. But now, before she left, I'm going print from his PC to this printer. And whatever happened, he can call me and I help you from there.
And that's the best part. For me, that is the absolute best part. So we're going to get started. She's looking pretty. Coming out. You had no DTF in a while.
You see?
Oh my God.
You see?
Look at our print.
Look.
She is looking fabulous.
You see, and
yes.
You see when I put the ponder and put it in the oven, you see how shiny is that, and you can take it out and squish it, because that's a 50% and 65.
That's nice.
Okay, let me put. So that's all right. Look.
Nice. Look at this. Look at it. Let me see the front again. Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much, Patrick.
Yes.
This has been an experience. It's been a learning lesson.
Yeah.
I have enjoyed myself this evening. So I thank you for your time. You have been extremely helpful.